what it is doing. It's getting stronger. We need a plan. We need to wait for the right moment. Let's see how it reacts. We can't wait. We have to help. Stay sharp.
Look at this place. It's alive. Stay close. Paths change every second. Watch the roots. They move. I've got this path. Follow my lead. These spirits, they are guiding us. Keep your eyes on the patterns. Do not get distracted. Look, it's hurt. That's why it's rampaging.
This is it, the lair.
Stay close. Every step counts.
It's not what I expected.
Stay calm. Let's see what it wants.
Watch out!
Stay calm. Read its movements.
Dodge left! Stay in the shadows. Hold on! Almost there.
Gently now!
It's not trying to hurt us. Whoa, watch out! Timing it perfectly. Hang on. Gotcha!
We've got this.
Perfect shield. Careful! Got it. A chest. Every pulse starts there. Every pulse starts there. Got it! Now, bow. Redirecting. We're together! We move together. Hold steady. Watch the falling stones. We can make it. Follow Rolo. Hold fast. We've got this. It's hurt. We need to help. Stay calm. It's scared. That's it. The core is the problem. Core is cracked. We have to fix it carefully. It's hurting. It's not attacking us. It's trapped. It's trapped. You're right. Easy. You are safe.
It's okay. I'm here.
We've got this. Stay steady. Together, we can help you.
We're right here.
It's working. Stay calm.
Almost there. Keep steady.
You're free now. Look at it. Calm now.
It's finally calm.
Everything's as it should be.
Great job. We make a good team.
Even giants can be gentle.
It's okay. You're free now. We've got you.
Thank you. I thought I'd never get out.
Everything's coming back.
We did it together.
We did it together. It feels good to finally rest.
Goodbye, friend.
Safe travels, friend. We've got this.
Let's keep moving forward.